Hi, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I will explain how to permanently delete a Google account. Please note that this action is irreversible and that you will lose all data on that account. Let's begin. If you are on Android, open your Gmail app. Then click on the profile icon at the top right and select the account to delete. Once this is done, click again on the icon at the top right and press on Google account. Now go to Data and Personalization. Scroll down and click Delete a service or your account. Finally, click Delete your account. Enter the password of the latter, confirm, and the job is done. If you are on Windows, the process is similar. Log into Gmail from your browser and select the account to delete. Then click on the profile icon at the top right and go to Manage your Google account. Now go to Data and Personalization. Scroll down and click Delete a service or your account. Finally, click Delete your account, enter the password of the latter, confirm, and the job is done. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.